Say Bruce Ty having a chat.
Barely truck in the 18 months. We have 3 cattle owners, very, very friendly.
Nada, no good. Anybody know who Des Hill is?
Des Hill.
Yeah, I rang his number, but his phone's in his car. One job, but I can't.
Is there a fella called, anyone know a bloke called Des Hill?
Like that!
So I've only just made that, guys. Can't quite see the cattle. Major horses have crossed. So Bruce is saying they're going to come up here under the bridge, so they want everybody to move. So I'll catch you in a minute. There they come. See? Just see them coming through the riverbed. Here comes the horses. Just made it for you guys. It was looking good. Now have a look at everybody. Look at them all. There's heaps of people here. Gotta love Eidsvold. Righto. So that's the driver driving me out. He's going to autograph his hat tonight, he just doesn't know it yet. In history. Look, shall we call yourself something and say hello to the residents?
G'day all.
You going to see them soon?
Yeah, will do. Won't be too long. Hour or two probably. Yep,
Okay.
just coming across the river now, so.
Thank you very
Whatever
much,
it takes.
Lee. Whatever it takes.
Yep.
That's the idea. That's how it works in Eidsvold, remember, Percy? The police is going to have a talk to that dude. Oh.
You do get that sick, but you know, it's the big fight with the buns.
We can just have you all over there past that fence, please.
So here they come.
They look
Looks beautiful, all in blue. Absolutely love it.
Movement's as bad as talking. They're both the same.
See that, guys?
Let them come past,
Said
please.
you can't be making a lot of noise when they come past.
So it'll be a high tail back once they come up.
See that, guys? What do you say?
So they'll be looking for strays. Go and listen.
Righto, mate. Thanks, eh?
Yeah, wise. Oh, look, they knew where to stand. Hello, I just realised you guys, you would have known where to stand. Oh, I see, wise words. Oh, look at that, I didn't even see
We
him
used to get a
sneaking up.
beautiful view of them all coming up, but
Oh.
all those trees have grown dead.
Oh, look at that. I was wondering why you were so far back. Okay, Peter, yes, I should have asked.
Down the fucking lead there, you bugger.
Be a bit bossy.
No, this will be beautiful, because this is what they want to see, the bush. And... Oh.
You do get that sick, but you know,
where they're going,
It's the big boat with the buns.
so we can just have you all over there past that premise, please.
So here they come.
They look
Looks beautiful, all in blue. Absolutely love it.
Movement's as bad as talking. They're both the same.
Hear that, guys?
Let them come past,
Said
please.
you can't be making a lot of noise when they come past.
So it'll be a high tail back once they come up.
Hear that, guys? What do you say?
So they'll be looking for strays. Go and listen. Their eyes were, oh look, they knew where to stand. Hello, I just realised you guys, you would have known where to stand. Oh, I see, wise words. Oh, look at that, I didn't even see
We
him
used to get a
sneaking up.
beautiful view of them all coming up, but
Oh.
all those trees have grown dead.
Oh, look at that. I was wondering why you were so far back. Okay, Peter, yes, I should have asked.
Down the fucking lead there, you lovely.
They're a bit bossy.
No, this will be beautiful, because this is what they want to see, the bush. And
Other years, it's been packed out here with
Oh,
people.
seriously?
And every local was out here. There's hardly a local out here.
it's the first time I've come out. I was actually quite shocked.
At how many people?
Yeah.
Oh, there's
Oh,
a
it's
lot of
just-
cars, but there's no locals.
Oh, well,
Usually there's
we let the tourists see the locals come out and see the cow any time.
That's what he says. This is the first time for me, so I'm very excited.
You'll do.
I'm probably more excited than anybody else, to be quite honest. Oh, wow, this is exciting.
Oh, I get excited over things.
So I don't know where I was last time, but
I get very excited.
Ridiculous. Sometimes she's an embarrassment.
I get so
this is the camera, so we'll join together, Stephanie.
Well, maybe no.
Oh, yeah, you
I'm
know.
not very photogenic.
Well, it doesn't matter because real life is lovely. Remember that.
That's true.
You know,
Righto, it's full on. We've got deliveries today. I'm in the car park. And we've already got people arriving. It's busy, busy, busy. And check it out. Setting up. Sorry, I have to laugh at that. That is absolutely beautiful. And the cameraman's setting up. It's prime real estate here. Prime real estate. We got our guard guarding the premises. So we're guarding the premises. Doing a good job. Alright, did do it. So welcome to Eidsvold. Say hello to Mr. Hartwick. I'm Peter. And look, I was following them over at the thing. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Good, there's a lovely person. Oh look, camera wave to camera. Woohoo, thank you cameraman. Hello. This is our security guard. Hi Dot.
I'm hoping that some riders will pull up and say good day.
No, there's a couple that know each other, so
Oh,
yeah,
good
that's,
stuff.
yeah, you'll get some good ones, okay.
Hey, there we go. Sit down, sit down.
That's it. So I need all label hands. Mark, actually, could you keep everybody company, please?
Where?
So I'm not saying you're not able.
That was an
We've got a
underline.
crowd for you to entertain. Look, it's gathered. We don't have to do anything. There you go. The stage is Mark's. Yeah. Whoops. That's the main truck. Only got a few minutes to go. So here they come. Righto, Gailey. for the cattle drive. We've still got a few people to go. And we'll catch you on the side. We caught Mark on the camera. Hello, cattle drive, you're almost here. Welcome to Eidsvold. Welcome, cameraman.
Hello, how are you?
Very good.
I'm looking busy, hang on.
Yeah, strange people. There's some strange people here too. But hello, Ted. Hello, Colin. Good to see you up and about.
Cameras on this mob over here.
We got the camera on this mob. We're supposed to keep an eye on you. So all of this, well, thank you very much. Welcome to Eidsvold if you're not from here. These are our lovely residents from the hospital, and we did it 2 years ago.
We're professionals. We're professionals.
They're residents. We just haven't sent the memo out yet. So we've got a gentleman about to turn 100 this year. So he won't hear us. Can you tell me which one you think it is? No? No. You gotta say happy birthday, dude. Happy birthday, dude.
Is it your birthday?
No, he knows when his birthday is.
It's too soon, hey? It's very quick.
Too soon, he says. But we had to get it in, eh?
In July, I think, is it?
Yeah, July.
100, eh?
It's not until July.
26.
Hang on, check.
Can I take some of them off you, darling? Which pair do you want? That pair? Might not need, and I might pull you in a bit to give me a bell if the sun starts to come over, okay? So, g'day, camera.
Yeah, I know.
That's what we like to hear. What does Dan say when camera's in face? Oh, no, we come back to... We're not saying that. We're not going to what he would say. You've already said hello to the camera this morning, haven't you?
Twice.
Hello. How you going? The cattle are going to come from this way.
Oh, they come up.
Yeah, and they're going to come right up to the gate.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be fantastic.
They want your old grey horse to give them a hand.
I hope you enjoy the cattle drive.
Hey,
Where?
where is it?
I know. I left them down there. I thought they were in good hands. I thought they were in good hands. They didn't need my droving experience.
I got you. Go back there seeing them now.
I hear a laugh. I'm serious. I can't even control the glasses.
Cows didn't want to get their photo taken. That's why they didn't turn up.
Yeah, you see, we got a camera over here, and we got a camera across the road, and we got a camera here. Oh, he hates his photo being taken. And now, here comes the staff. We've got to tell these. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's horsepower for you. You are quite welcome to go over the other side. I'm not charging you this year. Okay, so quite well. It might be feeling a little bit safer. Then you've got you're in your own corral. Is that the right word?
Yeah, corral sounds good. We're happy with that.
You're happy with corral? Oh, look, this guy's say, look at the shirts. Looking pretty good, hey. Thank you. Oh, look at this guy. He's turned his back to me, but that's exactly what I want. He doesn't know.
Hey, Jacko.
So thank you for wearing the shirts.
All right, you're quite
Thank you for coming.
Quite
We're twinsies. Did you know that? Oh, you just...
No, we look different.
Oh. Look at the congregation, look at that. I love it when my industry just booms all of a sudden. I've got all these residents to look after. It's fabulous. Where have you guys come from?
I don't like its chances of staying upright.
No, they just trample straight over that. Where are you from, my lovely?
Gold Coast.
Gold Coast. So thank you very much for coming from the old Eidsvold, isn't it? Gold Coast. Woohoo, Gold Coast.
Sorry, Borough.
Percy's father run the butchers in Maryborough many years ago. Davies last name, don't know what
Oh,
butchers.
Davies is on one of the buildings. That must be an old family.
Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, well, he's 100.
Yeah, there's a big
So-
building with their...
So, you're welcome.
That's the next day.
Okay, the next one. Sorry for rushing. Hello. Now this
doing all
dude's
the
not a
shows,
stranger. Yeah, well you weren't here.
I've just arrived.
This is our town caller. See that little fluffy thing he's hanging on to? That's his little hamster.
No, she'll be with the other camp,
It's okay, mate.
main camp. Yeah. How you been? We've been very good. Cattle have been very good. Yeah.
Here, do you want us to take the puppy so you can touch the horses?
Like to see you and your kids on the drive sometime for that?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Every couple of years.
Yep.
Yeah.
No, it's good fun. The kids enjoyed it. We had a couple of rain days at the start, but we had beautiful weather, no dust in the vans and that sort of thing, yeah. Very good.
We're infamous. What do you think, Percy? Up close and personal, here they come. Here they come. Yeah, it might get a little bit cold. Righto. Oh, and we've been recording upside down that whole time. That's it. Right, we'll either see you at the cattle show or on my plate. See ya. You see why we should be vegetarians a little bit more.
It's pretty good. Same with the steak.
So does a snake, yeah, I know. But we don't get these ones. These go straight to another country. These are grass-fed, not grain-fed. So these guys are special. You get one. So we probably won't see them on our plate. Oh, look at this! Selfie with a spotty cow. Don't run too far. Where are you? There, gotcha. Oh, just got it. See ya. Oh, wait a minute. Smile, ladies. Oh, battle off. We're on live, Catherine. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yay. Thank you. Beautiful. So well done, Eidsvold. Got some really hot news that I've been told that this thing's called a dray and their name is...
2 horses, one's 50 and one shades.
Which one's Shades? Hello, Shades. Hello. Wave. Hello, everybody. Bye. Say hello to the residents. Big smile, everyone. A little bit droll. They didn't stop. What happened? So this is where traffic has to learn to be patient. So you're going from one lot of horsepower to another lot of horsepower.
Yeah.
So who enjoyed that? Hey, well done. Did you like that, Colin? Did it flash back some memories? Good.
They take them through town.
Do you want to go to the cattle rodeo tonight, Percy?
Hey, do you want to go to the rodeo tonight?
Rodeo?
Yeah,
Never heard of it.
it's on tonight.
Tonight?
You want to go?
And dancing too.
Hey?
And dancing too.
And rum.
Oh, I can't dance.
Have you got two left
Unless I
feet?
had a
Oh,
partner like her.
well, she'd probably dance with you. She's a good dancer, aren't you? Yes, you are. You are so a good dancer. She's a good dancer. Meme. Righto, well done. Thank you, everybody, for coming. You can't leave yet, you're stuck here. No one can get out the traffic. Oh look, there's a chair.
Don't get off that,
Just for me, just for me. Why not?
That's for somebody else.
For somebody else's pet.
Oh God, I've done take my bloody picture. Is them your smelly shoes?
Yeah, it's because they're wet. They'll
No,
be smelly.
I thought it was cow and it's your bloody shoes.
You know, you've done the same. You know, my mum used to say I was standing in cow shit, make me grey.
It's my boss, he's going the wrong way.
Why is he going that way? Tonight, and check that out. Look at all of that. Heaps of people. Oh, can we just get it on?
Thanks for your help. You coming back tomorrow?
I gotta go and find right, so the horses look a little camera shy and they look really worn out. Hello, thank you for coming to the hospital. Look, he's all nice and shiny. Oh, I don't know how busy they've been.
PK's here, so you have to just go all the way up. Just 1, 2, 3, saying to the heart and out of the way, and we sit down and throw our hands, all the strength hands in the band. Okay, you need to all of them? You need to get all of those in, so if you miss one, you pick it up, sit back down and throw it back into your bucket, and then you are done. The crowd will sit up, everyone will yell your name, and we'll pull you to
Here we go. And of course we're going to bring in Kobe Ross for the novice bull riders. And of course not to forget, ladies and gentlemen, our protection athletes here this weekend, 2 absolute legends in the game. That's Raymond
Long time no see! Oh, I've been following Whitney a little bit, but yeah, how are you? You're loving it, aren't you? I just feel you're like a different person. Well done, girl.
So we've got that little mini bull, feature bull ride coming up. Here we go, Harry Bill and Owen Hardy. Put the 8-second ride together for you, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I blew the handheld clean out. Hardy puts him to the ground, unfortunately. PBR rookie champion. Top 5 PBR Australia. He is one to watch. This is the bull, this is the matchup I was talking about earlier on. Brindle Bandit and Lane Mellors. Young Lane's just taking his reps there, just trying to get his feet down either side. Call for the gate. Young Lane Mellors on. Brindle Bandit, here we go. Young Lane, PBR rookie champion. Go Lane. Oh no, that's not how we run the stick. Young Lane on the ground. Okay, here we go. He calls for that gate, and out he comes. Boom, boom, and Colin Morgan. Here we go. Triple round to go, ladies and gentlemen. Start to get a line out on the outside leg. Look at that. We have a star, ladies and gentlemen. Colin Morgan. Thank you very much for that. Fitton Insurance, Nutrient Ag, and of course, not to forget, our Nanny Right major sponsor here, Mundubra Butchery. Just while we're waiting on Kobe Ross out of chute number 1 with Off the Planet from BK Bucking Bulls. With only a couple more to go here in the Open Bull Ride, we have a 79 points lead. There we go, Kobe Ross on Off the Planet. Oh no. Just about to say we got a qualified ride and 1 or 2 to go here. We got leading out with the only score in the Open Bull Ride, and that's Tyler Morgan from Gracemere on one of BK Bucking Bull's book called Boom Boom. 79 points. What an awesome ride. Banged a bit of steel on that outside leg.